I'm here to introduce groundbreaking solution. Will save electrical energy, can saving carbon emissions. We use and waste a lot of electrical energy to heat every corner of society, everyday life. Heating wire, which have been used for 100 years, has many problems but still used because of its low cost. Carbon emission from electric heating account for 17% of global carbon emissions. To solve this problem, we developed 3D nano heater. 3D nano heater, made by electrospinning the fine copper nanofiber the size of 100 T of human hair, can heat the large area using low power. 3D nano heater, utilizing high conductivity nanofiber, can heat the 3 times more fast heat than heat wire and can save up to 90% energy. Such as CNT and graphene, many material has been developed to reduce waste energy by heat wire. However, manufacturing method is complicated and expensive. They could not replace heating wire, but 3D nano heater can do. You are watching the world first developed 25 big area heater operating within 2 seconds. The performance is more than twice that of other heating elementary. If you press the 9-ton pressure, even if you make a hole in the surface during the operation, it will be okay without damage. This innovative material is safe and cheap and saving energy. From aerospace to automobile, this material should be used wherever heating is required. It's so effective to boiling water and melting the snow. Also, installation so easy. We have a lot of reference and prove to be very effective. Snow can be melted quickly and using small power. Automobile, heating jacket for pipe, various shape, various temperature. Smart chair. This innovative material can be used anywhere from home heating to construction site. Many companies interested in our material. We can supply it exclusively this huge market in the world. Our technology can be summarized 3 categories. 1, to generate copper nanofiber. 2, control copper nanofiber. 3, to create the device for the manufacturing copper nanofiber. All requirement and processing for producing 3D nano heater were developed our own technology. We are looking for partners to join us in innovative adventure. Dreaming of nanotechnology in everyday life. Nanoelectronics. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, hands together for our startup. Apologies again, jury members, I'm sure you're aware this is nanoelectronics, not recarbon, it's nanoelectronics. I apologize for putting you off at the beginning. Right, let's move on now to our jury members and hear what they have to say or questions about what they've just heard. Yellow from Airbus, I believe you have a question.
Thank you very much. Could you elaborate a bit on what is the cost of your material and is it cost competitive? Yeah, so does it have a business case? And also, do you have examples for the applications in the composite business?
Yes, we have. I'm already explained to you. Our materials can exchange the heat wire, and then all everywhere, everywhere heating is required, we can use. And the main section is a snow melting system. The melting the snow, we put under the road and can melt the snow. Maybe Canada, where the very cold area is need our material. Is it okay?
And what about the cost?
Cost? It's difference. All the section is all each difference. But I'm sure that we supply the low cost, like almost same the heating wire.
What about recyclability? Is there a constraint if you later want to recycle the copper?
The carbon emission from the electrical heating is really so big. And then if you exchange the heating cable and exchange our material, we can save almost 60% energy. And that is calculate almost the 10% reduced from total carbon emission of global.
That's it. We only have 10 seconds. If you can ask a question in 10 seconds, go for it.
Yeah, I can try. In terms of performance, how does it last in time, in terms of life cycle? Do you maintain the same performance?
Maintain also is so easy. And then our material, we already test over the 3 years. It's no problem. Really long time can use.
Ladies and gentlemen, hands together for our startup here on stage from Korea, Nano Electronics. Thank you so much. Fabulous. Right, we move on now to number already. This is actually our 7th startup already. So we've heard 6 big ideas, all diverse, all well-deserved being here as part of the 10 of products and materials category. Remember a little bit later on this afternoon at 4:30 on this stage, we move on to another 10 big ideas from our 2nd category. So make sure you're here a little bit later on if you're curious and you're looking for the next big idea in terms of innovation in this industry. Let's move on now we actually now go over to Italy for the next startup at the Startup Booster Village. You'll find that at the entrance of hall number 5, which is essentially just behind you, right? Everyone has their booth there, and a great idea, great opportunity to have a coffee, have a chat, and to learn a little bit more. Let's move on to our next